mainly because I thought, would it work? And when you were talking about just eating protein, fats and meat and cream and cheese and all those, I thought, no, that doesn't equate. My brain was saying, I've been told for a long time, keep away from all these things and eat them in moderation. And then all of a sudden I'm going onto a program where I can eat all those things. I lost weight and I couldn't believe how much weight I'd actually lost. 18.5 pounds in 21 days.